Hi everyone. As all of us know, WhatsApp is an application used by almost every one of us. So today in this video, I am going to reveal certain methods with which you can use certain features and make your text appear trendy and beautiful. So let's get started with this. Let's learn the WhatsApp secrets now. Firstly, to make the text appear bold, use this method. Star your text and then again star. See, it has become bold. The second is to change the font of the text. For this, use this sign 3 times and then write the text whatever you want to write. And again this sign 3 times. See, the font has changed now. Next one is to make the text appear in italics. For this, put the underscore sign, your text, and then again the underscore sign. See, it is appearing in italics now. The next is to strike off any text. For this, use this sign and then write whatever you want to write and then again this sign. See, it has striked off now. Moreover, you can also use a combination of these, like in this way. Put the asterisk sign and then again put this sign, then write whatever you want to write. Then again use these signs and see, the font has also changed and it is looking so trendy and beautiful. So in this way, you can play with the keypad of your phone and just amaze your receivers who is receiving the messages. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.